So today's plan is to get everything buttoned up and actually go for a maiden voyage V2 in Mike's LS Swap 240. So since you guys last saw, we got the radiator in. We're currently dealing with bleeding the coolant. Everything is hooked up. We've had it fire once, as you guys saw. So we just have to wire up a few things, zip tie a few things, finish the coolant, check the clutch, and then we should be able to drive around a little bit. I'm worried about like these wires. You're not worried? More worried about these wires. Oh, I was about to say, I would be a little slightly worried about those wires.
Go up there and pull this wire like tight. Can you run like a zip tie up there anywhere to keep that?
Oh yeah, easily.
Alright, here's one.
So that's our next move. Clear some of this shit out of the way. Don't you want to test the clutch before we take it down?
Yeah. I just want to, just so when we get it running, we're like...
kind of ready to go.
Yeah.
I feel. I'm into that. Give her a couple quick crankaroonskis. So we had all the wiring zip tied to what we needed to do, and he adjusted the clutch as well like he wanted to. So now all we really have to do is take it off jack stands, and in theory, it should be able to drive.
Grab the voltmeter and see what the battery's at.
Weak if true.
593. Where's that big Johnny at that you used to have in your car?
I don't know, the big one, I don't know if it's still in my car or if it's in here. The old Sears.
It should at least crank right now.
What do you know about charging your battery with your Sears charger and then checking the voltage of it with your Craftsman voltmeter? Put it in gear. No rotation. Nothing.
Oh, the e-brake's on.
Well, that might be a bit of a problem. You're boogieing.
Smells like broken promises. Don't breathe this.
So it's on the ground, it's idling, it's doing its thing. There's no real big problem other than the coolant that got spilled on the header wrap. So that'll just burn off, we'll go for a drive.
Second gear has a little whine.
Yeah, it does. I like that.
Viper second gear.
Is that what it's from?
Yeah.
The second gear's from a Viper?
Yeah.
Weird flex, but okay.
Fucking Speedo's working now.
Noted.
I forgot one side the gas is on. I think it's that side.
Does it have the arrow?
No.
Ooh, OG shit. That's brutal. Take like a solid year and a half.
That's like 20 grand.
Yeah, 20 grand. I'm sure you're fucking stoked though. No smoke. Go chase him down, Ned. I mean, everything's like
working. Yeah.
where it should be. I've been checking your AFRs, they look fucking... It seems like it ships a lot better now.
Yeah, trans must have just been fucked before.
Well, yeah, everything was fucked before, apparently. There we go. We got Mike's LS Swap 240 all buttoned up and back on the road. Stay tuned to see what's next in store for the 240. And as always, I'd like to thank each and every single one of you for watching. And if you'd like to subscribe for more mediocre content such as this, please do and take care.